Okay, let's go and look at similarity now. I've actually taken this from the BBC bite-size lesson, but rather than ask you to work your way through it, so I would sort of condense it down for you a wee bit. Congruent, that means shapes with the same size. Basically, same sides, same angles. Then you have similar shapes, and you only need triangles, similar triangles for your GCSE. And there's 3 conditions that determine if they're similar. If the corresponding angles are equal, we say they're similar. Or if corresponding sides are in the same ratio, i.e. the same factor. So basically if one side is doubled, the rest of the sides have to be doubled as well. Or 2 sides in the same ratio with the in-between angle the same. That's a wee bit more complicated. But I've got 3 examples here to run through with you. So you have 3 properties here, okay? So 3 angles the same. Sometimes that's referred to as A, all 3 angles the same. Sometimes this is referred to as S, all 3 sides the same. And sometimes this is referred to as side, angle, side. Just to help you remember a wee bit. If I look at this, I have got 2 sides and the in-between angle. So I've got side, angle, side. So are they in the same ratio? First of all, the angles are the same. So the in-between angles are the same. So that's looking good. Okay, so we've got the in-between angle the same. Are the sides in the same ratio? Well, let's look at this side. This side has been doubled, so its scale factor is 2. And look at this side. It's also been doubled. Its scale factor is 2. So I can say the in-between angle, not angles, in-between angle is the same. And both sides are in the same ratio. If you're not comfortable saying it like that, you could say both sides have the same scale factor. It means the same. But basically what you have proved there is side, angle, side rule applies. That's the first one. Let's look at the next one. I don't know all 3 angles, so let me work out the missing angle here. So 180 minus 85 minus 40, the angle is 55. And let me work out this angle. So 180 minus 85 minus 55 is 40. So can you see the way all angles are the same? And that was one of our wee rules up there. So we can say yes, and so it's up there, yes, similar, because. So yes, similar, because all 3 angles are the same. So angle, angle, angle rule applies. Okay, and let's look at the last wee one. It's all to do with sides. So if you go back up to the beginning here, corresponding angles, I'm not looking for that. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So do all the sides have the same ratio? My first example A was easy to see. I'm not too sure about these ones. So we'll just write it down. So the scale factor of that is new over old. 7.5 divided by 5. So that side is in the 1.5. Check this side. So the scale factor of this side is new over old. 1.5 again, so it's looking good. Check this side. Scale factor is new over old. It's only 2. So we can say no, not similar, as all sides are not in the same ratio. If this one here had a scale factor of 1.5, we would say it is similar, but it's not.